In the heart of Moscow's modern skyline, a glass giant quietly rises above the city. This is the OKO Residential Tower, one of the tallest residential skyscrapers in Europe. Standing approximately 354 meters tall, it reshaped Moscow's skyline when it was completed in 2015. The tower stands inside the Moscow International Business Center, the city's new financial district. Here, steel and glass towers symbolize Russia's modern economic ambition. The building was designed by the global architectural firm Skidmore, Owings Merrill. Its sharp glass facade reflects sunlight like a giant crystal rising above the Moskva River. The tower's angled surfaces are not only beautiful but also engineered to control powerful wind forces. Deep inside the structure lies a reinforced concrete core that stabilizes the entire building. This central core acts as the tower's backbone, resisting gravity and wind pressure. Around the core, a structural steel frame distributes weight across the entire tower. Beneath the skyscraper, massive foundation piles extend deep underground. These foundations safely transfer thousands of tons of structural weight into the earth. Building a tower of this height required years of planning and precise engineering. During construction, cranes slowly assembled the structure floor by floor. Gradually, the glass facade began transforming Moscow's skyline. From a distance, the tower appears like a vertical shard of glass rising into the sky. But inside the building, a completely different world exists. More than 300 luxury apartments occupy the residential floors of the tower. Each residence features large floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the city. From these heights, residents can see the Moskva River winding through Moscow. Panoramic views stretch across highways, historic districts, and distant suburbs. Living at this altitude requires advanced building technology. High-speed elevators transport residents hundreds of meters upward in seconds. Sophisticated climate systems regulate temperature and air quality throughout the tower. Engineers also design systems to minimize building sway caused by strong winds. Special damping technologies absorb movement created by atmospheric pressure. As a result, residents experience a calm and stable living environment. Even hundreds of meters above the ground, comfort remains a priority. At the top of the tower sits one of Europe's highest rooftop skating rinks. Here, visitors glide across ice while surrounded by Moscow's glowing skyline. The experience feels surreal, skating hundreds of meters above the city. Yet the OKO Residential Tower is more than a luxury skyscraper. It represents Moscow's transformation into a modern vertical city. For centuries, Moscow's skyline was dominated by historic domes and Soviet monuments. Today, glass skyscrapers define a new era of architecture. The Moscow International Business Center symbolizes this transformation. Within this district, towers compete in height, technology, and design. Among them, the OKO Residential Tower stands with quiet confidence. Its reflective facade captures the changing colors of the sky. In the morning, sunlight turns the tower's glass pale silver. At sunset, the building glows with warm golden reflections. At night, thousands of illuminated windows form a vertical city in the sky. From the river below, the tower appears almost weightless. Its sharp silhouette cuts cleanly through Moscow's skyline. But behind this beauty lies advanced engineering and architectural precision. Every beam, column, and structural joint was carefully calculated. Every floor balances structural strength with residential comfort. The result is a skyscraper designed to stand for generations. In the end, the OKO Residential Tower is more than just a tall building. It is a symbol of ambition rising hundreds of meters above Moscow.